Welcome to Better for Human, where we're all about giving you the tools you need to win any argument. Whether you're debating politics with your friends, negotiating a raise with your boss, or just trying to prove your point in a friendly discussion, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing our top tips and tricks for winning any argument. From mastering the art of persuasion to staying calm under pressure, we'll cover everything you need to know to come out on top. So if you're ready to take your argument game to the next level, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. First is listen actively. When someone is presenting their argument, listen actively and try to understand their perspective. Interrupting or dismissing their argument can lead to a defensive attitude, which can make it difficult to have a productive conversation. Then you should ask questions. Ask questions to clarify their position and to show that you are genuinely interested in understanding their point of view. It will help in identifying the gaps in their argument and give you an opportunity to present your counterargument. If needed, provide evidence. It is essential to provide facts and evidence to support your argument. Avoid making statements that are based on opinions or assumptions. Reliable sources and data can help to strengthen your position. And avoid personal attacks. Attacking the person instead of the argument is unproductive and can escalate the argument. Focus on the facts, evidence, and logic to support your argument, rather than attacking the person making the opposing argument. Always keep an open mind. Be open to the possibility that your argument may not be entirely accurate, and be willing to consider other perspectives. Keep an open mind and be willing to learn from the other person's argument. Try to stay calm. It's natural to feel emotional during an argument, but it's essential to stay calm and composed. Take a few deep breaths or step away from the conversation if you feel yourself getting upset. Remember that losing your temper can undermine your argument and make it difficult to have a productive conversation. Use logic and reason. Logical reasoning can be a powerful tool in an argument. Use clear and concise language to make your points and try to avoid fallacies or emotional appeals. Find common ground. Look for areas of agreement between your argument and the other person's argument. Building on areas of agreement can help to create a more productive and collaborative conversation. Avoid generalizations. Avoid making sweeping generalizations about groups of people or situations. Instead, focus on specific instances or examples to support your argument. Always try to end on a positive note. End the conversation on a positive note, even if you don't come to a complete agreement. Thank the person for their time and for sharing their perspective, and express your willingness to continue the conversation in the future. Remember, the goal of an argument should be to understand the other person's perspective and to find a mutually beneficial solution or agreement. By following these tips, you can have more productive and respectful discussions. In conclusion, it's essential to remember that having a constructive conversation is about finding common ground and mutual understanding, not about winning or losing.